Yeah, Brian Duggan, BJ Constructions. I just want to show you some props that we got to hold these steel beams up. Thank you very much, Cash. Yeah, I showed you this yesterday. This is where we've been through, and we've had this team of people come through and do this illegal work, and left a hell of a mess for the owners, and covered it all up with packers and blue board, and rendered it and painted it, and took off with the money and left it in a hell of a condition. But what we've had to do here, because of the weight in this corner that this column's holding up, it's the one that's snapped. So we've got to remove it, and it goes all the way up there to that top roof. So what we've got to do, I've brought these big thick columns in. These are 10 tonners, and that'll take the weight quite easily. These other ones we were using yesterday aren't adequate for what we've got to do. So we've got these in, and they're going to hold the weight comfortably, not a problem. So this could be under here for at least a week or so while we get the rest of the stuff. We had the engineer out, and he's had a look at it, and he's designing a steel column that we're going to bring in under this one. So we remove this one down to the footing and put a steel column in here, bring it up, weld it, we'll extend it past, and we'll ram it in under that top column up the top there, and it'll make it a lot safer than what it is at the moment. And then we can weld the beam to it, and weld a bracket on there to take these timber beams through here. Now you'll see over here is Paul. Say hi, Paul. Paul's our termite man. These are the new timber beams that are going to go up to take the place of these old rotten, eaten out termite ones that were covered over by these people. And what we're going to do is, once they're coated, they get coated both sides. We'll cut them in, put them into position, and then they're fully termite proof then, so we can issue our termite warranties on them. So Paul's actually painting them with a product called Termite, and it'll stop anything, so no termites will get into them at all. You notice they're thinner. What we do is we bolt two of those together, and it becomes, it's a 35 mil, so it'll become a 70 mil beam. So we bolt them at every 450 centres, and then we place them up here, take the place of these old rotten ones. I still can't believe that what these people have done, you know. I mean, that is just absolutely atrocious. There's no thought, no mind, they don't care about anything. They've just put it up there, grab their money and run away, let the clients pay them for this, and they've got absolutely no way that it'll hold anything up at all. So that's it's life endangering, and it's life threatening, and it's absolutely ludicrous. I just can't believe it. I'm outstanding about it. But anyway, that's that one. So we go down here a little bit further. So yeah, there's the nice big thick column we got there. It's a 10-ton prop. So we use that sometimes on bigger loads. We've got the other ones 30 tons and 50 tonners, and they use those on bridges, but this is adequate for what we're doing at the moment. So we're going to have one here, and we'll go out and have a look. We're going to have another one. The boys are just starting to put one up over here at the moment, so we're going to put one on that one as well, because there's a fair bit of load on there, so we're double sure that everything's right. So the boys are going to termite proof the top of that column today, termite proof the bottom, and termite proof where the steel goes in at the bottom, and termite proof where it goes through above that common wall there. So it's all happening today, and while we're waiting for the engineer, we're just going to proceed and do a few more things over here. We've still got the other units down here. We've still got the painter working in that one down the back over there, and we've still got the boys are still working on the structural wall. That's the one we pulled the tiles off, roof tiles off over there the other day. So yeah, it's all coming together. So anyway, this is Brian signing off, and we'll catch up with you next time.